about logistics and supply chain management. So I'm Dr. Jisha. I'm just going to give a glimpse about what is logistics and supply chain management. So before moving into logistics and supply chain management, we need to know how this term have comes into a picture. So just a small recap of the evolution of logistics. So this logistics now it's become very popular, but in early days this has been used for the purpose of used by the militaries for moving the armies and supplies of foods during the wartime. So this has been purely used for this purpose. But later stage, the logistics being taken into the it's been used by French army in 17th century, and then it has been used by the business. Today, the logistic have a wider meaning and wider business, like moving raw material from the supplier to the manufacturer and finally to the end consumer as well. So the job and the opportunity what has been given in logistics is unimaginable, right? Let's move to the meaning of logistic. What do you mean by logistic? So logistic is concerned with getting a product or services connected with product and services where they are needed and where they are desired. So it starts from moving the product from the place of manufacture to the end customer. Okay, so that is the job the logistic does. So suppose a consumer is getting into retail store, they expect the right product in the right time. So if you get into a shop, if you are not liking, if you're expecting some product and if you're not getting that product, you feel down, right? So this logistic here plays a vital role. So they make sure that that product is correctly available in right time in a right manner. So that is being done by the logistics. So the meaning of logistic is it is a move between both tangible material and intangible material. So logistic means it doesn't mean that only the products are being shifted, but also the services which is not being seen, which is intangible, that is also being moved from one place to another. Okay, so what do you mean by logistic management? So it is a process of planning. The word management means it comes as a planning, implementing, and controlling the proper flow of goods from the origin, that is from the manufacturer to the end customer. So hope you can see this picture how the logistics management works, right? So here it is, you can see there is a starting point of raw material supply. So from raw material supply, that raw material are being taken to the manufacturer. So there the raw material are converted into products, and from manufacturer it is being taken to distributor, and from distributor it has been stored, it has been kept in one place, and it has been handed over to wholesaler means who deals in a lump sum, and it has been given to retailer and then it reach the end consumer. So this is a flow. So if you see a supply chain also have the same forward flow and reverse flow. Now, reverse flow means from the customer to the end, to the supplier. So, as per Philip Kotler, the logistic is being defined as planning, implementing, and controlling the flow of material and finished goods in order to meet the need of the customer at the same time to earn the profit. Okay, these are few examples. Okay, now what are the elements we deal in logistics? So the major elements which comes into the picture of logistics are warehousing, inventory, transportation, material handling, packaging, and information flow. So these are the major elements. So the product are being manufactured from the manufacturer, and that is being kept in the warehouse. Whenever it is needed, that is being given. So the inventory, the stock is being kept by the person inventor, and then whenever the products are needed, that is being distributed to the company and it is being transported. So you use a proper methodology or techniques to handle the product, and the information is flowing towards forward and uh, reverse as well. So let's take an example of pizza. So I hope everyone loves pizza, right? So this you can see, you wonder how we in at home we sit in one click, we click one whatever we want. So in another 30 minutes, probably you get a hot pizza in your hand. But how does this works? Yes. Now, just I have shared you one example. So you can see, once an order is being clicked, you click an order. So the pizza maker make a pizza. So after pizza making, it doesn't stop there. They go for a quality control. They check the pizza. Yes. And then there will be a delivery boy, and the delivery boy pick the pizza, and then it is being handed over. So if you see, there are a lot of, it is not only one person involved. If you can see, there are too many people are involved, including the transportation. So you need to keep a pizza dough ready. You should keep that base ready. So once it is been done, it is been prepared, and it get into the oven, and then it is being cooked. Again, it takes, it has been testing has been done, and then it is being packed, and then it reached to the delivery boy, and the delivery boy reached to us. So this is one way how the logistic works. The same way, there are many lifetime examples we have in our day-to-day life, like 24 bar 7 ATM. You can see, whenever we get into ATM, we withdraw the money, right? But we never thought about who are the people working behind this. So this all role are being carried out by logistics. So we are enjoying every second, whatever required. It is all being done by the services called logistics. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching and hearing. Thank you.